Alright, taking a look here at this Goodsail, that's the brand. Micro USB to USB. You got 3 of them here, 3 feet, 6 feet, and 10 feet. And I need this one because sometimes I need to be connected to the computer or connected to the power adapter, the charging adapter. And sometimes while the phone is charging, I need to use the phone. So if I am 3 feet away, then it's going to be hard to move the phone while I'm charging it. So I usually use the 10 feet one. Also, if I'm close to it, I could use the 6 feet one. But they look twisted braided here, and metal over here, and they're flexible, but they look strong, very strong. Look over here, this end over here also looks pretty strong. It's plastic all around here. This is metal. This is nylon twisted. Alright, so pretty long and necessary for people that usually use the phone a lot. Cool. I'll give them a try. They look strong, and I had the same type that I bought the same type, but only 3 feet and 6 feet. But I needed a 10 feet one, and they last very long. I still have mine, the old ones, but I needed the 10 feet and extra cables to leave one in the car and leave one in the bedroom and all that, and one to take around at my job. Alright, so give them a try. Can you press the helpful button under this review? That way I know someone watched the video. We'll gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.